Good morning, everyone. It's actually 1 p.m., but I'm just getting my day started. So I like to start my reset days by taking a shower because it is just so refreshing and it puts me in the right mindset. When I clean myself first, then I can get out and clean my space. So we're gonna start with the kitchen. I always like to clean the house on my days off because I find it really difficult to get anything done when my space feels dirty or cluttered. So this is a habit that I've got ingrained. Ever since I adopted Cookie, he has been such a mama's boy. He follows me everywhere throughout the house. He wants to be involved in everything that I do, and it's just so sweet, and I love that he is now my little companion. Now I'm going to make a list of all the priorities and the things I want to get done today, all the errands I need to run, and just do a big old brain dump so it's out of my head and on paper. The biggest task I have for the day is changing my turtle tank water. Depending on his water, I do this about once every 1 to 2 weeks, and I just do a full reset of all his water so he has clean water. When I got Mr. Turtle, he was living in a 20-gallon tank, and he's an 11-year-old turtle, so I upgraded him to a 75-gallon tank, so he's a lot happier now. He's been a lot of work, but it's rewarding. Now it's time to hit the road and tackle some errands. I'm hitting the car wash first with my man, Kylan. After picking up some groceries, we stopped by to get some free coffee and donuts. And now it's time to relax in the pool. There's something about being in the water that is just so relaxing, and all of my anxieties go away. Now it's time to make a quick snack. So I've been really into this spinach artichoke avocado dip lately, and it's super easy. You just add avocado, artichokes, and spinach, garlic, olive oil. It's really tasty. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog style video, and if you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of me, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys. I'll see you later.